I'm Cetera, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning matrix step by step, and this is episode 22 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. Orient to points moves and rotates an object by matching two reference points from the source to a new location. It maintains scale and orientation along a single direction. Uzi-Kazi's fast placement. Moving parts while keeping alignment. Repositioning repeated elements. Orient 3 points repositions and aligns an object using 3 reference points, allowing full control over position, angle, and orientation. Perfect for matching curved or angled surfaces. Uzi-Kazis. Placing objects on angled or curved surfaces, aligning with precision, rotating parts to fit complex forms.